Nukwalau, medogbenami, eyemiawezo. Today, I will teach you some basic essentials that may come in handy when you travel to the Volta region or Togo, or when you meet someone who speaks the Ebe language. Ready for a language adventure? Let's kick things off from square one. Greetings are important in every culture. For the Ebe people, it is completely interwoven into the everyday life of its people. One very noticeable thing about greeting in the Ebe language is the fact that we may greet people beginning from the individuals of the house, mentioning them one after the other. And then, interestingly, you may even ask after all the other people, like house helps, cousins, and stuff like that, who may not necessarily be in the house or may be external relatives. Now let's begin with greetings of the morning. In the morning, you typically say, Indinao, Indinao. This literally means morning to you, and it's often followed by Efouin, Efouin. Efouin means how are you, but translates as have you woken up? Have you woken up? Other ways of checking someone's well-being include Elle agber, Elle agber, Elle nuire, Elle nuire. And the usual responses would be Mele nuire, Mele agbe, Me fond, Me fond. So efouin, Me fond, Elle agber, Me l'agbe. Elle nuire, Me le nuire. Say it after me. Efouin, Me fond. Elle nuire, Me le nuire. Elle agbe, Me l'agbe. Well done, well done. Easy peasy, right? Now let's move on to the greetings of the afternoon. In the afternoon, we say Ndonao, Ndonao. Like the first one, this means afternoon to you. Come evening, we say Fiainao, Fiainao. Feeling casual, you could simply say Ndi for the morning, Ndo for the afternoon, Fiain for the evening. And when it's time to hit the hay, simply say Doagbe, Doagbe. Doagbe means sleep life, literally. Or I could say Mauna for me, Mauna for me. Good, good, good. Now let's sprinkle some festive flair. So that you're able to greet your Ebe neighbors and friends during this festive season, let's touch on those. Blonyanao or Blonyanami if you're addressing more than one person. Blonya is Christmas. Blonyanao literally means Christmas to you. Christmas to you. If you're feeling excited, you could even add lo to the ending. Blonyanao lo or Blonyanami lo. And this shows that you really are in good spirits. Another way to greet people during these Christmas festivities is to wish them the best of the season. You could say, Blonya fe jogbenyuena olo or Blonya fe jogbenyuena o. Blonya fe jogbenyuena mi. Let's say slowly. Blonya fe jogbenyuena o. Blonya fe jogbenyuena mi. I hope you're enjoying it so far. Now, as the new year, which we call Feyeye, rolls in, the greeting is exactly like it. Feyeye nao or Feyeye nami. Like I said earlier, you could still add the lo. Feye ye na mi lo. Feye ye na mi lo. Feye ye fe jogbenywe na o lo. Feye ye fe jogbenywe na mi. Now a quick tip. Check out my every alphabet video, especially for those sounds that are so tricky, such as the f, f, f. There are lots more ways to greet people in Ewe for different occasions. However, these basic ones should be enough to get you started. Rewatch, pause, practice, and practice even more. Let's make greeting in the Ewe language a piece of cake. Till next time, miagadogo.